Thanks for joining us. I'm Kenesha Dees. We'll start in Morgan County, where a man stands trial for killing 7 people. It's where we start. I'm Kenesha Dees. Frederic Rogers is one of 2 people charged for the Capitol murders back in June of 2020. You see him there on the left of your screen. The other is Jonathan Legg. He's been linked to a group known as the 7 Deadly Sins. Just hours into the trial, one thing was clear. Even the defense team is conceding that their client killed those 7 people 4 years ago. It appears that the focus in the courtroom won't be on the question of guilt or innocence, but on whether Rogers ultimately faces the death penalty. We did hear from a witness today who says she heard a concerning amount of gunshots on Toluca Road in Morgan County, and she called 911. Prosecutors said 2 deputies were sent to the scene that night, and a field training officer arrived there first. That officer said they found 3 bodies on the ground in the garage. One was on fire. He called for backup. The 2 officers now at the scene went inside the home and found 4 more people down and a fire burning in the house. That brought the number of victims to 7. The state says each victim was shot several times. The investigation eventually led police about 2 weeks later to John Legg and Frederic Rogers. During opening statements, defense attorney Carl Cole said Frederic Rogers is guilty of murder and will die in prison. The jury will make the call whether Rogers dies in prison of natural causes or in the execution chamber. The witness who called 911 the night of this incident says her house was approximately an acre away from the home where she heard the gunshots. She also says this wasn't her first time hearing gunshots at the home. Former Morgan County sheriff officers who were called the night of the incident says they had also been called to the home before. The Madison County Sheriff's Office was also contacted to assist in the incident due to such a large scene. During testimony, a Madison County Sheriff's investigator said he assessed the scene and more than 1,000 photos were taken. Those pictures showed evidence like a gas can, shell casings, victim injuries, burns, and a bag of paraphernalia in the home.